Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, guys, wherever you are in the world. Hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to be unboxing this brand new 2022 tile tracker. It is available from different retailers such as Amazon, John Lewis, Currys, and all those good places. It is the up-to-date 2022 tracker, and I've literally just picked this up myself from John Lewis as it was reduced. So let's get into unboxing it. So the tile tracker looks slightly different from the previous model, and I actually think this one looks a lot cleaner, although it's not as boxy. It sort of has a bit more character, I think. So it just gives you some brief instructions for setting up the device here on the left. You also get this information booklet, which is most likely going to be about warranty, safety, etc. We won't get too much into this, but let me just give it a quick scan here. Pretty much all the boring legal stuff, which is available in all those different languages, so that you should be able to read it. I won't be reading that in this video, but if you do want to read it, then you should get yourself a tile tracker and read it. But let's get into the good stuff, which is why you are all here. So also, before I just quickly take this out, there is a little QR code at the bottom of this here, which allows you to scan it to get some more details on the device. So on the back of the actual tile tracker, there is a QR code which enables people to scan it and then alerts you, the person with the tile tracker, that someone has found your device, and it will tell you how you can get it back. And hopefully it should never happen to you, but just in case, if you need it, it is there. I think it looks quite nice, and I like the way that they've used the QR code on the tile tracker. So now that we have taken it out of the box, you want to set it up, which involves me going to the App Store on my iPhone, which is also available. The app is also available on the Play Store, but I have an iPhone, and searching for Tile. So we're going to quickly download this app now, and before you download it, it will tell you a few things about the app, which is basically what it does. And we all know that the tile tracker is used to track items, but you might not know a few of the other things that it has, such as there is a premium subscription plan, which sort of tells you where the device has been, but we are not going to be subscribing to that plan at the moment because we only have one tile tracker. This might be something useful for you guys if you have multiple tile devices, such as tile on your keys, in your bag, in your wallet, on your bike lock, or whatever that may be. But we're just going to stick to the free plan at the moment. Now that this app has downloaded, we're just going to tap the open button, and we'll be greeted with this welcome screen. It's just a little bit of information about the tracker again, and we're going to select our device. As you can see here, there is tile enabled devices embedded into all these companies. There's a lot of big brands on there, but we just have a tile tracker, so we're going to activate it. We're going to sign up, input your email and password in here, and I'll be back. Right, so we need to enter the verification code we got from our email address and enable Bluetooth. So we are just going to enable Bluetooth there, and we're going to go to Control Center and enable that. Now that we have enabled it, we can go to the tile tracker and start the setup information, which means I need to click the tile tracker once for me to activate it. It's now going to start searching for it. I need to hold my phone closer. So there we go. Now that is activated, that is great. So we can just tap the next button and follow the setup instructions. Mine is for keys, so I'm going to tap that. I'm going to tap find, and it's going to ring my tile tracker. There we go. I'm going to click done, and I'm going to double click the tile tracker, which is going to ring my phone. And now that is done, we know that they both work. That is very nice. No problems there. We're going to obviously allow notifications. It's going to push you to go get the premium for the tile again. Offers some nice things. Free battery replacement, that's quite nice. Location history, like I mentioned before. You obviously get your warranty with it. Unlimited sharing and premium customer care. But we're not going to be trying that now. We'll just click continue now. And that is it, I hope. Oh, it is frozen. There we go. Continue. And we're going to accept the location and change it to always. I'm not sure why it just didn't do that in the first place, but we just go there. So now that is done, we can click find keys to test it. We can walk around the room to get a strong signal and find the tile tracker. That is a very simple setup. I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Be sure to let me know if you're going to get a tile tracker down below in the comment section, and what you think of the new updated 2022 version compared to the old version. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Peace.